Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Designs. I'm back today with a Felicity Jane haul. So, the only thing I've done is I broke the seal and I put my my other die that came in the mail in it today. So, let me show you how it lands. It says, "Spread your wings and fly. Thank you so much for your order, XO Gina." Felicity Jane. So I always love how she has everything wrapped up so beautifully. Oh goodness, there's all kinds of goodies in there. Okay, well, let me see. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to take everything out so that when my youngest comes back, hey baby, can I give you this to take out? I think that's it. Yeah, thanks baby. Perfect. That's good. Yeah, thank you very much. Alrighty. So, let's see what came in. So sorry, my daughter's coming in and out. So, whoops, I've got a whole bunch of stuff here. So this month it is Brie, and I am super excited. For those of you who don't know, Felicity Jane, which has been everywhere, and I'm sure I'm just speaking to the choir, is in the process of moving from one state to another. I was very surprised that she did this one. I misunderstood. I know she's going to take a break for like a month on her subscriptions, and so she can move back to where she can move. So long story short, I was super excited when I got the email that this had come in. So let's open it together. Alright, so this is Brie, and let me see. Let me see here. Oh, I can just take the... Wow, that's really neat brad. Look how hardy that is. That's really kind of a neat brad. Okay, so inside here, oh my goodness, these are so cute. They're little word circles, smile, beautiful, together, ampersand, a grid, memories. I'm hoping you guys can see this. Happy, fun. Let's see here. Note to self, this, camera, dots, butterfly, heart, all in black and white, of course, as you can see. Favorite photo, just being me. The story, today, a bubble with a heart in it, notes, little tiny dots, a black heart, or heart with it's black and white, ampersand, favorite thing, an arrow, more dots, ooh, the reverse, black and white butterfly, love, this place, right here, remember, another graph or grid, awesome, oh graph actually, like graph paper, awesome, my heart, love, and the opposite of the dots. So beautiful. I love all this, and I really like that black and white. It's always so classy looking, and then when you couple that with other colors, you know, that you just kind of accent with black and white, it really is pretty. I mean, it's, you know, when I first start to do things, I don't naturally pick colors like that, but when I'm playing with them, I love them. So here's some more of her beautiful, just lightly puffy alphabet. I love it. And then the numbers, of course, it's so light. It's very usable. It's not too thick. And then this is Brie layering butterflies. So, oh, look at all the different colors. So there's clear, there's, oh, and they're sewed together so they'll puff up. Some of these are sewn together. How beautiful. So there's 26 pieces total. And if you can see the back, that might be easier so you can see the colors. If you couldn't see, I can't tell because the time of day. This time of day, the sun gets funky. Oh, I didn't know we were going to get gold letters as well. Oh, look at that. These are those light puffy letters as well. So we get black and gold. Beautiful. And then here's, of course, our journaling cards. And I love her journaling cards because either they are graph or grid on the back. And then on the front, they're all the beautiful colors, or the papers that match the cards match the papers. There we go. And here's a stripe. I want to make sure, yeah, we're still in frame. I love that one. Kind of the reverse photo, like Polaroid photo edge. This one looks like it has washi on the top. And little details and dots and here and now. And I'm not a huge fan of that color, but it is the perfect color that kind of fits this theme. So again, her colors are always spot on. Notes, I love that. Oh, and these are like little, not hexagon, pentagons. Yeah, cute. And then the when, where, who, what. I love that. I will put that up in a minute so I won't hold you guys up. So here are some darling cloth tags. They're like ribbon, and then they have their fabric flags, and then they have the rivets. So pretty, and it has the colors and the textures and the, pardon me, the colors, the textures, I lost my breath there, and the patterns of the paper. Okay, so here is the stamp for the month, and it's Brie, B-R-I-E. Worth it, brave, big dream, beautiful you, spread your wings and fly, paint swatch, paint circle, butterfly, more little butterflies, dots, like a swipe. This says one step at a time, enough, Brie. I agree with that, one step at a time. I cannot say that enough these days. Okay, so these are Brie puffy shapes. There are 13 pieces, so you can see smile, sweet, love, sunshine, and favorite. I love that. That's really cute. Again, back to that black and white theme that will be offset by the colored paper. Now, look at this. 32 pieces. And I'm just going to hold it up because there's a really good picture on the back, and I'm hoping you can see that. So there's Brie. And then the words are pretty, beautiful day. And then there's some other ones I cannot read because of the angle for the camera. So anyways, absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous, you know. I gotta do it. I gotta do it. Let's see here, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh, I missed a rose. So I will just turn these over. So we have the rose, like the paper, heart. Oh, with like little lines on it. Dotted triangle, happy. And when you get things that come in and they're kind of like bent like that is, I mean, it was just probably a shipping thing, you can just layer up your pieces. Like you could literally just do it like that. And that is really pretty. You know, those, even something like that. So don't get frustrated if you see something and it came in a little bit different. That just makes you be more creative. Some more roses. Oh, that's cute. Pom-poms. That is cute. Okay, big rose. Oh, pretty little flowers. Pretty, I agree. Little pom-poms. Pom-pom banner. Tag. Tag. Those are the two big tags. Let's see. This says, without change, there would be no butterflies. Wow, isn't that true? Goodness. And then here's the little hearts. And a big heart. Another heart. That one has a pattern. Blue with white dots. You know, those are just the outlined ones, as you can see. Oh, I love that. The little aloe vera in the pink dotted pot. Super cute. Speech bubble. And a little banner you could write in. And pretty black and white. Pretty ribbon. And another triangle. And another heart. And my story. Another speech bubble. Another speech bubble, and another one. So she gives you lots of things to do, you know, do different things with. That says remember. There is a tag, a small tag. Look at those big flowers. Aren't those beautiful? There is Brie. And then last but not least, beautiful day. So I love all that. That is super, super, super cute. And again, Gina is amazing, and her team. I just love all their work. Okay, so hold on here. I'm going to push that back so you can see what I'm doing is I'm trying to just push it back and make a little hole. I'm sure you guys have better ideas. Please share them for us klutzies. But I want to pick all this up before I get into the paper because I will be the first one to spill it everywhere. So, I hope you guys are having a great day. It is summer here. It is hot. But I am not complaining. You know, we were over visiting one of our kiddos. She lives in a town that's closer to the coast near Houston. And it was hot. Hot and humid. So, it made me realize our little place here in Central Texas is less humid, and even just a few degrees cooler is nice, you know, and I like it hot. So, alright, so here's this gorgeous paper you could see from behind. This is floral and Swiss dot. So you can see the Swiss dot, and I love how she always has her edges done. So, okay, so that's the first one. This is square dot and stitched. So, oh, and look at that edge. That's so pretty. And there's the stitches. Love that. More, that's black and white as well. There's that mustard and white stripe. So this is stripes and bows. Oh, that's so cute. And I love the little hearts. Okay. And then we have, ooh, I love, this is swatches. I love that. I mean, I love that. That'll be the first thing I'll play with. And then, oh, it's the swatches and spots. And then look at that edge. So cute. Oh my gosh, look at that ombre of that pink graph. That's so beautiful. So gradient grid and stripe. And there's some more of that mustard and a gingham on the edge. Love that. Oh, I love hearts. There's no way to get around that. So hearts and frames, super cute. And see that edge is so beautiful. Light pink with white dot and her signature scallops. I love these. So here's a mustard with white scallop, a pink with white scallop, a green with white, or kind of a blue-green, seafoam green with white scallop, and then a blue with white scallop. That is so beautiful. I love it. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Gina. Bree is a darling, darling kit. And this is going to go straight in my bag for our trip. And then here I'm going to open this real quick. This is a inexpensive die from, Amazon. This one's Amazon. So I have not gotten back on AliExpress lately. So it does kind of help me when I have to remember where I got it from. Oh, isn't that pretty? I got this for our oldest who looks to be probably going to be getting married. So anyways, isn't that pretty? I love that. So that was really pretty for the side of the card or the top of something, you know, pretty pictures. So, all right, guys, and especially you could see like a wedding, you know, wedding picture, and that would be the top of it, kind of the crown. So, okay, well, that's it, guys. So here is my Felicity Jane and a die from Amazon. So I hope you've had a great day today. I pray that your day was blessed, creative, and lovely. I am so thankful you stopped by. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you aren't subscribed, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. And we'd love to have you part of this. We'd love to encourage you. And I think that's it, guys. I thank you again for stopping by. And most importantly, I hope that everything that you're doing is just, you know, so encouraging to you right now. And, yeah. Well, I'll be talking to y'all soon. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.